Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix the Roblox Security Threat Detected error. If you're getting this error message on Roblox, it's usually meaning the app detected something unsafe on your device, most commonly an unofficial Roblox version, modified app, or certain developer settings that Roblox doesn't allow. So the first fix is you uninstall the unofficial Roblox app and reinstall the official one. Just uninstall the unofficial one if you have it on your phone, then open the Google Play Store. Search for Roblox and download the official version. Just open Roblox, sign in and try joining an experience again. If the error persists, try restarting your phone. And finally, Roblox considers certain developer tools a security risk. If they are enabled, the app may block you from playing. To disable them, open Settings, then go to System, then tap on Developer Options. Turn off USB debugging, then turn off OEM unlocking. Just look for them and delete them. Turn them off. Close Settings and launch Roblox again. And if the developer mode was the cause, Roblox will now load normally. And finally, if you have any VPN or a proxy, just remove them or turn them off because they can interfere with the server. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more on our channel like this for tips.